I'm filming. We're going back to Ajit's again, the alarm's gone off.
As we know.
Those fit girls.
What slags?
Fucking horse.
Fucking whore! That's it, take that up the arse, you whore! I could just put it here.
You could, go. Hurry up, hurry up.
Hurry up! Oh shit! Oh no! Hold that! No, it's not good. No, that wasn't that good.
Yeah. It's those wankers. Wankers!
It's a police chase. Turn the light. Woo, 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 woo,
Can you get one for it?
Come on, don't be ridiculous.
Come on, wankers. Yeah. Fucking hell.
Fucking move. You
Stupid
white shit.
fucking cow.
Stupid cat. You little cat. You bitch. You cat.
Do you want to fucking slow down?
Run the fucker over. Oh, please don't traffic. I don't know, that's the road there, isn't it?
What?
Station Way.
I think so. I can see them, but they can't see me. Has this got sound on it?
Yeah?
Alright.
They cleared it, the camera.
Here we go.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Oh, for Christ.
Move, you blonde piece of slag.
Oh shit, you think? Right, look at these cunts over here.
Oh, don't just film.
Look at them, bus wankers.
Oh, bus wagon.
Bus wankers. What's this? 8-bit. Dickhead, turn it off, man. How'd that go? Is this chase music?
Harder. Harder. Oh yeah. Oh, harder. Oh yeah, give it to me. Harder. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't stop.
Proper Ajit, such a love, what the fuck? Where's the sound?
Oh yeah. Harder. Harder. Oh yeah. Oh harder. Oh yeah, give it to me. Harder. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't stop.
Fuck's sake. What's with that dodgy laugh at you?
That's nice. He's going, oh, he's putting his jacket into the thing.
Oh, fucking hell, man. It's been 5 minutes still. We're still fucking trying to get them fucking Ajit. Oh, I love this song. What?
How long have we been filming for?
5 minutes? 6 minutes nearly now. I'll put it straight on YouTube.
Come on, now down there, look.
What?
See now?
Fucking hell, slow down.
Watch it, sort of, think of mine out. Fucking never dead.
Oh, is the alarm off now? Is it still going off? Is it going off?
Not sure.
No, it's not.
Come on!
Fucking mug.
Bastard.
Yeah. Well, Ajit's is arrogant. Is that Ajit? Is that Ajit?
Right. What's really happening?
Here we go. Lewis is gonna have a find out what it is all that.
Again, then what? Last time, that was a 9, yeah? Where were you?
You don't bloody chocolate bloody never, isn't it? The bridge is shut down.
What's it about where I was?
Who are you?
I was by the Lipson, right on the way system.
Yeah, it's all.
No, it was fine.
How do you get back then?
What?
How do you get back here? Through that bridge?
So I went down to the high street and then turned left at the lights there and went under the bridge. Where
Yeah, there's the traffic there, isn't it, on the bridge?
No.
Yeah.
By the train station, you go on the bridge and then run the bend and turn left to Temple Road. And up there.
No. Which way did we go then?
We went somewhere else.
We went to where the XLR bar is, right across the road.
Right, to the right.
Yeah.
When you go, I went the other way.
Which other way? How can you get the other way?
Go
Right,
to
go
the high
past
street,
Domino's. Yeah.
There's a Domino's shop, right?
Yeah.
Then left into the bend,
Hold on. Domino's. Yeah. Go past the Domino's.
No, coming down to see past the road.
Oh, you came down. How did you get to Domino's? You went from here that way.
I was nearby, near Domino's, and then I was coming down, what road it is. But we went through the high street, one-way system, Walkers was in left, was out, turned left, then lights, we followed under the bridge, around the bend, left in Temple Road, and straight down there. So I put it to Watertown Lane. Turned to the right.
How did you get there? Oh, you went round the one way.
Yeah,
The back to Epsom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back towards Epsom.
Yeah. Go on that
Right.
front
We didn't go back. We went on the upper High Street.
street. Because it's on Church Road, you get up High Street and then bridge. Stupid that I didn't bridge, but we used to get help, I suppose. Oh, we'll go up to Epsom Down. Right up to Epsom Down. and come back down and drive through. Okay. What for? To drive. Yeah. Is Kelly's name the good and Bill?
Yeah, Billy Keller. William Keller.
When the summer built, he's been for tomorrow and that's when I'm looking at the rooms for the car.
Where?
I know he's looking ring. His friend's got breakers on.
Where?
I don't know.
How much is charging you?
£6.
For all four?
All four set, yeah. I just listened to my bit. It's a bit like how big must be
What,
decent
they'll
cars.
fit in there?
Hopefully they should do. I'm going to look at them. I'm going to put one on. Should it fit? And it's all good. And then it's all good.
No, tell them to put all four on for you.
Fine.
Yeah. Don't just put one on, one will fit and the others ain't going to fit. Tell them to put all four on for me, let me see it.
I'd ask them how big must be decent cars. I don't want to have got double cars.
Oh,
It
yeah.
could be like an easy way. And literally all we've got to buy is just one new car, one new spare car. But if I pick four, maybe if it's nice, we give them another one. 5 for the spare wheel. What's that?
It's alright, isn't it? Look.
Well, I hope so.
Yeah, nothing wrong. What do you want to do? Set it for? Where's the phone?
People,
Every 6 minutes.
how long ago did they ring you after you drove
Oh,
off?
we're in Epsom.
Yeah,
So about 10 minutes?
yeah, so, yeah.
Oh, that's good. Give me the phone, sorry. That's what time we set it. Just so it can be.
Who rings you? The police straight up.
The monitoring station. And if you don't answer, then the police will be answered every time.
Let's see what's on there. You might need to shut down.
17:15. So half an hour later.
It could go off
Yeah,
again.
when you're like half that time.
You go back and forth. Well, I don't get a hand back there.
No, look. It's all full off now. If it's going to go off, it will go off now. No, I've got about 10 minutes. It's not a timer. Oh. You need the phone, it will go off now. It wouldn't reset. It's resetting everything. They cut it, they want to reset it. Reset it.
Well, they can't cut it now. It's right in the wall now. Right in the side. Better that way.
Are you in my 5 minutes?
Yeah, I'm going to put this tag off and then put the golf I'll drive off again. If it does go off again, hope it doesn't, but give us a ring if they do call you up again. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do, yeah. You still recording?
Yes.
Once to stop it, let's have a look.
Hang on. Wait for Ajit to drive off.
The boat goes off again. The boat gets out half an hour road, it goes off again. I would love to get that car.
Why?
Mercedes B170, they're nice cars. It's automatic, yeah, fair enough, but fucking gorgeous, man.
Shit, why is it reversing for? I think that's on filming.
Turn it off now, can't.
Okay.